Hello dear Cancer, welcome back to my channel, and this is your March 3rd week's exclusive love reading. So this will last from 17th March till the 23rd March. If you are a Cancer sun, moon or rising, this reading is for you, whether you are in a relationship, situationship or marriage, right? So let's see what's happening in your love life. Your cards are already out. You have got the astrologer and the 9 of Suns, and you've got the neophyte and the knight card. Well. This is a very important week for you. Why? Because this is something that you're going to do now, which I'm going to tell you. And that is nothing. Okay? Cancer, you don't have to do anything in the third week. Nothing that you do is going to work in the third week. Whether you're chasing somebody, trying to find the right partner, whether you're trying to solve problems in your relationship or marriage, or whether anything that you're planning to do, trying so hard for your ex to come back, it's not going to happen. The energies are so bad that in the third week, no matter how hard you try, you're only going to push the other person away or increase more problems for yourself. I see you being attacked from everywhere. I see you being defensive because people are attacking you. There are all sorts of problems from the partner, from the in-laws, from your own family, that you have to just, what you have to do is right now protect yourself. And how can you protect yourself? By not participating at all. This is the card which is asking you to suspend all operations, to take a break, go away somewhere for a day or two, or if you can't travel right now, go out in the nature, go for a walk. Just don't engage in the fight. Don't text or call anyone. Don't receive any calls. Don't get into fights. Just don't do anything. What you can do best is sleep. Sleep over it. Sleep as much as you want. Take the third week as the week of break for yourself. Nothing that you do is going to work. You're not going to find your soulmate in the third week of March. You're not going to resolve any fights, right? Your ex is not coming back, right? No matter how hard you chase, he's not coming back, at least not in the third week. So third week is not your week. Cancer, you have to suspend all operations, take a break. I know that you're overthinking a lot. I can see that you're overthinking that I don't know if he's gonna come back or not. I don't know if I'm ever gonna get married or not. I don't know if my problems are going to get resolved or not. Don't overthink, because overthinking is not going to change any situation. Your fear is not going to change any situation. It's only going to make it worse, right? There is a card of knight, which means somebody walking away from you. That means it's a card of separation. It can be that it's a long distance relationship. It can be that somebody is very near to you, but I don't see them coming back in the third week, right? And I'm so sorry to say that, but it is a challenging, difficult week for you. Some days and some weeks everything happens and everything changes, but some days and some weeks are very light. Nothing changes, nothing happens. So this is one of the weeks for you when nothing will change, okay? No matter how hard you try, no matter how much you overthink. So this is a card where you have to be very careful with what you're thinking. So you have to take care of yourself in the third week, because you might just go into a very negative pattern because nothing is happening, nothing good is happening around you, whether your own relationships with your parents, siblings, friends, everything could be going down in the third week. So this is not your week, Cancer. This is not your time. All you can do is spend time with yourself, read books, spend time in the nature, go on a holiday, or simply sleep, right? You have to take care of yourself and yourself only. So the main message for you, if you're not very clear till now, is to focus on yourself, not on that person who's gone, not on that relationship, not on XYZ, but yourself. Okay? The more you focus on yourself and your well-being, the sooner your life can change, right? The sooner your life can start moving forward, because right now it's not your time and you don't want to bang your head against a wall, right? Only you are going to get hurt. So don't do that. So just take a break in the third week, relax, don't do anything, and hopefully the situation will change in the fourth week when you see me. Okay? I hope I have something better to tell you, but this is not your week, guys. So don't make any major changes. Don't try to start a conversation or end a conversation. It's only going to get worse for you, right? So yes, if you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Most importantly, if you would like to book a ritual with me, because full moon was on the 14th of March and some places 15th of March as well. energies are very strong in the sky. It is the perfect time to do a ritual. So if you would like to book a blockage removal ritual from any area of your life, whether that's love, career, health, family, anything, you can do it before 9 p.m. tonight, because you have to start it tonight. Okay. So yes, and if you still have any questions regarding any area of your life, or if you would like to channel your partner's current feelings, so you can book an oracle love reading as well. The charges are very cheap. They start at 170 rupees, goes up to 1000 something, so they are not expensive at all. So you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can DM me on Instagram as well, the Moksha Tarot. Please also follow me on Instagram, because I post all my updates over there regarding both my channels. And yes, take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.